Hey, what's up guys? This is something extremely exciting. Here I am, first look and hands-on with this, the all-new Huawei Mate X. Now a couple of guys out there have brought us foldable devices, but no one's done it quite as well as this one's been done. This one we're talking serious specs and internals, 5G. This display here, which is 8 inches across when fully folded out, 6.4 inches on the one side, 6.6 inches on the other, and packing 5G. All of it to make what is seriously not just a mobile phone, but rather more of a revolution. So let's get a little bit of time here hands-on with this device and see what it offers and why Huawei are once again revolutionizing the game with this all-new Mate X. The Mate X is so much more than just a standard mobile phone. Just take a look at it, for instance. You can see that they've got this very clever Falcon-style hinge, which was painstakingly developed, which means that it remains incredibly slim, well, far slimmer than any of its competitors in terms of folded devices. But yet, when you open it, just look at it, it is absolutely gorgeous. The profile, the full 8-inch display, and the resolution, the quality that it simply puts out. This is working through the device, and you can split screen. You can actually use two different applications at the same time. Of course, full Android applications. You can go into something there. There's Technobox unboxings being displayed on a screen like we've never seen it previously. This phone really is something quite revolutionary. You got a USB Type-C at the bottom, but Huawei have even revolutionized things here with a 55-watt charger, the biggest one that's been produced anywhere for a mobile phone. They're talking 30 minutes for 85% charge, and when you consider you're getting a phone here, a tablet, and ultimately all your devices in one, and packing some serious camera potential with a Huawei triple lens Leica camera, this phone seriously is something rather incredible. Just quickly, straight off the bat, this has been a hands-on time with the first one, which we're seeing here on the African continent, and ultimately a phone that we look forward to seeing around June, July of this year, making its way and changing the way we do mobile connectivity. From me, Jason of Technobox, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.